Welcome to the channel. We got donuts. We talk about random shit and we fucking go nuts.
Yeah.
You know when Big Daddy when he says swear?
Swear?
Yeah.
I developed this. Thanks for laughing, buddy.
If you don't go on a date with Sunny, I'll develop a stutter.
Alright, ready? I wipe my own ass. Sonny, I wipe my own ass.
What do you want for breakfast? 52 packets of ketchup.
Lasagna. Frankenstein. Frankenstein.
That's not a thing to say.
No.
What up? It's your boy, Pac. That's Quick Visuals.
And welcome to the channel.
The channel.
Pac Bay.
Where we're gonna do... I fucking hate it. We're gonna do a food review. Today we got the KFC donut chicken sandwich. Do you guys think this will be good?
Hell no.
I'm
I
excited.
think It's gonna be too sticky.
This shit's gonna be gross.
I've heard that it's actually fire.
Really?
Yeah. Mark had it and he said it was amazing.
I say we dig right in because they're getting cold.
They are getting cold.
I'll pick my sandwich.
Coronavirus. Hey, these are going for $100 online.
You gotta sell them.
What?
There's like stores that are sold out of like hand sanitizer and stuff. Water.
Kirkland, sponsor us. Alright.
Anybody sponsor, please.
We're broke.
We're hella broke. That's why I only bought 2 of the sandwiches, because I can't afford 4. But if you don't know what it is, it's a donut with a piece of chicken in between another donut.
They're the worst.
You eat ass, bro.
I'll trade you. Bro,
Mike's afraid of a
stick
baby
with
touching his sandwich. So Mike eats ass.
I don't know what
I wish ass tasted like
I'm a
this.
virgin.
You stick your tongue in people's
Can we
food.
dig into
You're
this?
really
You
grabbing
can
me
be
with
a virgin and eat ass.
With both hands? What do you mean?
I don't know, that's just so sticky.
Hey, what's up, sticky fingers?
Have you never eaten a donut?
Cheers.
Not
Cheers.
like that.
Cheers.
Oh
Cheers.
my gosh.
Cheers. Cheers.
Ooh, who wanted that sticky I didn't want to grab that.
That's tough.
It's too much.
Really? Get it over here, boy. This slaps. 6:50? What time do they close?
Oh, my karma's came off.
10.
Cut.
I gotta reapply.
Somebody get the Clarmex.
Y'all gonna get some heart attacks.
I don't know how I feel.
Like, it's not bad, but I'll never go buy it.
I would. I'm going to KFC though.
It's
Never
just
mind.
jizzing on me.
I
You don't like it?
No, I love it.
Oh. I think I like it. I don't know if I'd pay $6.50 for it again though.
We should make it ourselves.
We good? Krispy Kremes and chicken.
No, just donuts.
We eat better food. That won't give us heart attacks.
It's a lot of chicken.
Raw donut.
Honestly, wasn't expecting their donuts to be this good.
Gotcha.
Are they just regular donuts or are they Krispy Kreme?
They made them sound some stuff.
They're made with chicken.
Eat chicken grease. Dips.
I love it. I feel like it's kind of the same vibe as chicken waffles. Like the sweet with the chicken.
Bro, they have their own chicken waffle.
Chicken waffles is still better. The syrup is not as sweet.
I'm just saying that.
You just ate butt.
Hell yeah, she did.
Oh.
Can we get a rating? Out of 10? What's a 10 though? Like the best thing I've ever had.
10 is like, I won't say the best thing you ever
The
had.
best thing on their menu?
No, like, something, 10 is like, you're definitely gonna come back there. You're definitely gonna buy it.
Like amazing.
I'd
Worth
give it.
it.
I'd give it a 7. It's definitely worth it. Would I go back to KFC just to get it? Probably not. But
I gave it an 8 because I could definitely see this is something. Yeah. If I was like in a mood.
You're a pigment again?
Yeah. Yeah, if I was pregnant, this would be something I'd probably eat.
Surprise! This video is announcing you're pregnant.
It's awkward.
I give that. I give it a 3. It's not terrible. If someone gave it to me and I had to eat it, I'll eat it. But if I go to KFC, I would buy a famous bowl of the chicken sandwiches.
KFC does have a good chicken sandwich.
Yeah,
There's
the Georgia
little
underrated
sliders
or
are good
whatever. I think they're chicken sandwiches.
What are you gonna give it?
I give it a 6. I think it's really good actually, but I don't know if I'd pay $6.50 again for it.
Maybe the donut was maybe a little bit like thinner.
Yeah.
I thought that was a lot of donuts.
You know, they could put the glaze just on one side and then make it inside so it's not as sticky.
But it's still
The glaze is not what I had the issue.
I don't like the stickiness of it.
The glaze is not the issue I had. Thank you for cleaning it.
Throw it.
Throw it at me.
Throw it at Uncle Mike.
Throw it at your dad. Throw it at him.
Throw it.
At
Throw
him.
it.
Loser has to take a shot.
Throw
Throw
it.
it.
Throw it. Throw it. Throw it.
Ball.
The ball.
Ball.
He said it was the ball.
Throw it.
How many calories are in one of those?
That's a good question. It has 1,100 calories.
In one?
There, buddy. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe so this child
Look at the camera.
can eat a chicken sandwich.
Look at the camera.
Hey. Yeah, comment there, like
Oh,
there,
yeah.
and subscribe. Make sure you follow Nest Quick Visuals on YouTube, Instagram. Make sure you
One more time.
make sure you follow Magic. I'm probably not even in the shot. And Sierra Riley 24, right?
They just think it's Katie talking right now.
What did you
Sticky fingers, and we out.
Peace.
R-I-E.
Bing, bing, bang.
L-E.
R-I-L.
Made it from Pac Ray.
And make sure you wash your hands for 20 seconds. We don't want to spread this coronavirus.
Only Modelo.
Only Modelo.